Hi there, it's Carol here bringing you another video. This is my second one of my trying to get organised but not doing it too expensively. So in Wilko's they've got check size file 13 pockets in different colours. I only bought the blue. You've got these little monthly tabs or alphabets. You can put those in if you want, sorry. And it's just opens out, and what I intend to use it for is my planner stickers, because they're everywhere. They're just in a mess, piled up in, I've got some in plastic containers, I've got some that haven't even opened, some that have half been used, and then I've got things like this envelope, and in there these are all my journal cards, and I've got so much, just like everybody else, and it's too much. And actually I don't even know where, I've got all these, I don't even know where all my stickers are really. I've looked in the drawer they should be in, but they're not there. So that's what a mess I'm in. So the more of these I can get rid of, as much as they're nice, I don't want to get rid of them. I'm going to keep them obviously for something, but I don't know why I've got a bag in there. It's because it was given to me. Bags don't live there, they live in a drawer down there. So what I want to do, sometimes the things you do is nothing. Sometimes the thing to do is nothing. So glad you're all back together. I like that. Let's bounce. Right, so will they fit? They won't. They're too big. But I have got more Winnie stuff. And I've got stickers. Now, so I think half used stickers should go at the front, and then maybe, so I'm just going to randomly put them in, aren't I? I'm just going to mess it all up. And I think I should have one just for Christmas, because I think I've got an awful lot of things just for Christmas. So weekly weigh-in, oh that'd be a good one, because I weigh in on Tuesday. Oh God, I bought these, I had them specially made and I'd forgotten. Oh, that's how bad it's been. Oh my God, that's about the holiday. See, the problem is, guys, I'll be honest with you, I haven't used my planner for quite a few weeks now. I really lost interest, and I want to get back into it, and finding these things, look at these, how pretty they are, but I think, yeah, they're too tall, so the tall ones are going to have to go and live somewhere else, but these little ones can all live somewhere in there. Let's dream. And then that's what I'm going to do. So the bigger ones, I'll have to go somewhere else. Planner Geek. See, I like these sort of things. It's okay to be different. I see your true colours. Love those. Autism, seeing the world from a different angle. So true. So true. And then I've got some pretty stickers. Okay, so I'm just going to put them in here, and I'm going to spend some time sorting. I got all these lovely cards. I don't know why I got them, but I like them. So they need to go in there. I got this one when I was with Shell, my friend. Never used it. Never used it, and I love foxes. So snail mail by Joe, thank you for your order. So I got some foxes. How cute are they? I do like those. they will go in there, and my winnies will go in there somewhere. So it does work, kind of. You don't have things too tall, which not everything's tall. Do what they think you can't do. I like that one. The best way to simply begin. So I do like these. I've got a quotes board opposite my desk here. Love is the world stopped crapping me. It certainly is. And I don't know what else in here, you see. Be a flamingo and a flock of pigeons. So I ordered these, and I've actually got this one in a frame, and I don't know why I ordered 3 of those. Strong I am. Right, so do you see what I mean? It's just like having them all over again, because I'd forgotten I'd got them. So that's my tip. Go to Wilko's and buy yourself one of those. So I've got 2, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one, but I'll think of something. But I really like that now, so I can just open it and I can just browse. So I will tidy it up, but just for this video, and I think it was £1.25. because my order came to £4.50, and I bought 2 of these and 2 of these photo books that I've been putting my dies and stamps in. So that's me trying to get organised. These bigger ones are going to have to go somewhere else. Anyway, let me know what you use. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, and I just thought this looked really nice, really compact. So take care, let me know what you do. Bye.